welcome back to my channel. I'm Maya. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. And if you're a regular subscribers, hello, welcome back. So what am I doing in this video? This is going to be a little DIY, but we're about to be making Betty Crockers No Bake Bites cookie dough. This is going to be a cake, birthday cake with the vanilla flavor. So I think that's going to be frosting. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, since I already washed my hands, I already opened this package, and this is what it looks like. This is the cake, birthday cake mixture, the white chocolate melts, that's what it is. And also we'll need butter that has been softened. I got a wooden spoon and I got water, so that way I have to mix it to make it nice crumbly cookie crumb. Add the butter. Alright, so this is what should be look like this when it's done. I stirred and folded for about 5 minutes, and let me touch it, but I think it's a little sticky. But the instruction says that the dough is sticky. I had to put it in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes. And after 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to shape into the ball. Okay, after this race, I have to poke the seed. Alright, now it looks like cookie dough. So now I'm going to take my measuring cup, make 1 tablespoon, and just wow. So I have to roll this up to the shape of the ball, and I use the wax paper and the baking pan, so that way it will straighten apart. And well, if you're uncomfortable, you could just drop it in the pan. Might be easier instead of using your hand if you like. But oh, I better wash it before I end this. Okay, so I made it to a ball, and I tried to make it a round ball, but kind of a little bit sticky, but it's fine. But I totally forgot. So this is the white chocolate melts. I'm going to put this in a small bowl and microwave it for about at least 45 seconds. Here, I might use some scissors, it might work better. Now I have to drizzle the frosting. It should look like this when it's ready. And I had to microwave for 2 minutes. I thought it was microwave the white chocolate for like 45 seconds and didn't melt. So I added 1 minute and mixed it just in one at a time. So it works. And I had to put the oven mitts just in case it gets hot. So now we're going to let it ribbon with that frosting. Okay guys, it's been 4 hours. So like I said, you can refrigerate for 4 hours or overnight. So here's the finished look. My bad. So I will give it a taste test. Yeah, I should let this overnight, but kind of a little sticky on the bottom after I place some paper, wax paper. Not bad. I kind of like this. So the presentation of this edible cookie dough, well, I used a measuring cup, placed in paper wax. Thought the first one was perfect, but not the best because I used the finger or the knife. And of course the little melts, I drizzle it, but it will flop. But I should microwave for about probably a minute instead of 45 seconds. It does say the package for 45 seconds to microwave the white chocolate melts. But this one, I will give it 8 out of 10. It is delicious. And like I said, I should let the edible cookie dough maybe overnight. But it is good. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you guys did try it for the first time or you just made it different directions. Or I could just add cream cheese to make it dough. I think I saw the video to show it, but you can check the link in my bot. Link in the description. The other video, while the lady showed me the right position to make the little edible cookie dough bowl. Sorry. So I will put the link in the description below for the video for how to make the edible cookie dough correct. And probably not the best for me, to be honest, but I know I tried. But this is really a good DIY idea. If you guys do enjoy this video, hit that like button and leave the comments. And of course, I have to check back the chart. I mean, a lot of you guys are around 70% haven't not subscribed to my channel. And if you want to be part of production family, what are y'all waiting for? Just hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell on. I post new videos for once a week. This summer now, there's going to be vlogs, music, DIYs, challenges, and so much more. You will love it. So anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. And if you do have video requests, feel free to comment down below. I hope to see y'all soon in the next video. You guys have an amazing day and night wherever you live. I'll see y'all soon.